Hello, this is the stock risk and volatility analysis dashboard I prepared using Vibe coding tool. Just to show you a demo of this, GSPC is Standard and Poor S&P 500 stocks. I'm running the analysis. This goes and gets data way back from 1957, and you can see in the blue the price, and I mean it's index. And then you can see the volatility. And some of these big highs are the indications of some changes. So you can see drawdown from the peak, and you can also see the distribution of drawdown versus recovery time, the frequency, and you will see, you know, drawdown margin, how much was the reduction in the stock versus how long it takes to recover. So that people have to take into account that, 55% reduction means it's going to take almost some time to recover, right? And if the reductions are small, then they have less time in months to recover. Then you can see all the detailed risk matrices. And this is something you want to see, hey, what was the big swing in the drawdown? And when it happened, say 1973 or dot-com bust time, you know, and then 2007 about this mortgage crisis. So these are all the things. And COVID. COVID is very short-lived. Those drawdowns. So then you can see the analysis, and I can also use them to check other stocks. See how quick it is coming up. It is going to the Yahoo database and picks up the data, and you can see this information. Microsoft, whenever there is a swing, and you see how long it takes to come back. Sometimes you have too much around this area, that means these stocks are reasonably good. And this also tells you the drawdown variation. So it tells you what is the peak price, what is the drop price, and drawdown percentage, and how much duration. And then it also gives you an analysis, what was the trough versus recovery analysis dates. That's all. You can try some of these stickers and do some analysis on that.